Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Retool for building internal tools fast, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Retool website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be presented with several sign-up options including email, Google, and GitHub. Choose the method that best fits your needs. For this guide, we will use the email option. Enter your valid email address in the provided field. Following this, create a secure password that meets Retool's security requirements. After entering your email and password, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Retool. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, you will be redirected back to Retool's website. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Retool dashboard. If this is your first time using Retool, you may be prompted to create your first app. Follow the on-screen instructions to select a database or API you want to connect to. Once your data source is connected, you can start building your internal tools. Explore the various components available on the left sidebar, allowing you to drag and drop them into your app. Customize each component according to your internal tools requirements. Utilize Retool's extensive documentation for additional guidance and tips as you build. After you have built your app to your satisfaction, save your progress. You can now share your internal tool with team members or deploy it as needed. Continue experimenting with different components and functionalities to fully leverage Retool. Congratulations, you are now ready to build internal tools quickly using Retool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.